Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Facebook account. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Facebook app on your phone. Tap on this profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Then from over here, tap on this settings icon given on top right corner. Now tap on this option of Meta Account Center. Then from over here, go ahead, tap on this option of personal details. Now tap on this option of account ownership and control. Now you will find this option deactivation or deletion. And I'm going to choose my Facebook account from over here. Now tap on this option of delete account, switch the toggle, tap on continue. Choose a reason, tap on continue again. Tap on continue. Now you're going to simply scroll down and tap on continue as well to confirm it. Enter your password. Tap on continue. Now tap on delete account and your account will be permanently deleted, and that is it. You can see you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted, and that is it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.